What's good? What's good? Peace, love, and energy to everybody out there. Happy in the building. Understanding the energy of Sekhmet itself, herself, is the divine presence and number representation of the ancient Kemetic quality of me, being the number 19. And I welcome the energy, Happy El Sekhmet, as a foundation to understand, the journey of thyself, which was actually the name I actually got a chance to meditate and learn and understand and get more in tune with. So tonight we're going to speak on some things we can do to keep our immune system intact. Some quick type elixirs, if you want to say, or something real quick and easy that we can make at home using actually organic products, or even just fresh products. For the sake of time, what I do have to show you is of an emergency to me with what's going on. I don't want to give that topic any energy, but I am going to do another more detailed understanding on the subconscious point of view of what's truly going on. So before I get started, I am learning also how to do things in moderation. So please be patient. Understanding my anxieties and on this journey alone is awesome. Just to figure out some things about you that you never understood. So I'm going to actually just speak on a few spices, fruits, concoctions that you can make at home that can help boost the immune system right now. And in front, you see I have 3 bowls, and each one is filled with something specific, so we can actually understand exactly what each one is. So today I want to speak on how ginger, pineapples, and lemons and key limes can be a great immune strengthener, to where you don't have to kind of use any type of fancy um, medicines or medications, or just constantly depend on the doctors. I'm not saying you do your own accountability when it comes to that. If you feel more safer, kudos to you. What I'm saying is, if it was a interaction to where things were to shut down abruptly, do you know how to heal a common wound can get infected within your home space? The block off the germs or the bacteria within the air. Do you know how to filter water to cleanse yourself? Filter water to drink. Know what shrubs and herbs to eat. Wild herbs and shrubs. So I don't want to get too far off topic, but I just want to go strictly. I mean, just keep in mind, the reasoning behind this video and the tensions is to actually just give you a setup of something you can do at home real quick, real easy. Even the kids can join in, and it can be a family experience, to where they can learn some things at the same time about their temples and what to put in it and what to continuously to stay away from. So let's get started. My setup is definitely has its own esoteric meaning behind the scheme of things. Imagery is very important. I understand that. So, um, I'm not playing checkers, flat out. My duality within myself, I will continue to balance it as well as, tip the scales when necessary. So I definitely welcome my ancestors, my celestial beings, um, the ancient ones, those uh, of a higher enlightenment, my higher space of being, to this conversation to enhance the energy of understanding as a whole with no malice. Ashe. So, in each bowl, like I said, is something in particular. In this bowl, we definitely have the lemons and limes. And what I'm going to go over is exactly what the lemons and limes do for the body right now that you can take and what it does. Now, the lemons themselves it boosts the digestive system. It's also a natural cleaning uh, for your digestive system. It's a healthy hydration, has vitamin C. It protects cells from free radicals. Um, Most importantly, with the brain, DSU conducted a study that shows link lemon juice and lemon aroma to actually help elevate a positive and emotional effects on the brain. So just inhaling the lemon scent increases the brain to feel chemical neurotransmitters, which significantly boosted energy and alertness, brain functioning, and focus. Mental alertness and focus. So just by smelling lemon aroma scents like aromatherapy, um, can enhance the neurotransmitters in the brain. And it's very healthy. It helps for calmness within the home itself. And just the purification of the scent is pleasant and it's definitely needed for the body because of what it does. And on the side, you also saw in that bowl was some key limes. Now, key limes are very good. They're very good antioxidants. They're good for potassium. They contain the vitamins A, B, C, D, calcium, magnesium. Um, it improves the digestive system as well. It fights off infections. It helps with weight loss, and it lowers blood sugar. So just by consuming limes daily or just putting it into your routine of your diet structure of how you do things, you can actually benefit from these limes and lemons. So keep it moving. The second one is ginger, and it's raw ginger. And ginger itself holds so many properties when it comes to helping the body. I know for a fact inflammation, um, um, pain reliever. Let me see what that can prevent or fight a wide variety of infections that threatens the human immune system. Osteoporosis, um, osteoporosis, cancer, heart disease, and helps with menstrual pain as well. So consuming ginger daily, putting it into your tea, your water. I know tea, no lemon, ginger. Ooh, it's something else. Lemon, ginger, and water. And I'm missing an ingredient. Can do wonders for you emotionally, physically, and spiritually. That I do know. So to keep it moving, the next bowl is the pineapples. Pineapples are awesome. Pineapples have their own solvents and own interactions of what it exactly does for the body. I know it has a lot to do with the pH, how high it is with the water intake of pineapples. And let me give you a few more details on pineapple so I can tell you exactly what you can do with these simple fruits and a spice on a daily routine to help right now your immune system, your digestive system, how it can improve just understanding that a lot of these fruits and vegetables are here to help heal the body in a natural form, as well as um, knowing that we have organic bodies is even a better understanding because when you know that the body is so, the temple itself that it speaks of in the Bible is so precious, you actually start going towards a more desirable understanding of how to continue to, more so elevate yourself, elevate the body, elevate your spirit, elevate your knowing. And I am totally in tune with the conversation. I'm totally in tune with where I'm at, and I'm just thanking divine steps, divine walk, soul purpose, and just being meaningful and taking my time and knowing that everything has to be done in this uh, order, no matter how chaotic things are. So let's go over the pineapple benefits right quick. Because like I said, I showed you the third one was the pineapples. They're good for weight loss. And like I said, because of the water, it's very good to actually consume them daily. Dealing with your pH balance, your potential hydrogen, the alkaline aspect of you, the higher positioning of the intake of the understanding of the intake of what you are putting into your temple. So, it's high in fiber. It prevents constipation and regulates intestines. Um, vitamin C stimulants. Vitamin C, it stimulates the white cells. It's a good antioxidant. So, with these three ingredients, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. Now, with the ginger and the key lime, you're going to make ginger key lime shots. And it is more so known as a superfood. It is actually recommended by Dr. Sebi. It's a remedy that he gave us out as an example. It's something you can drink every day, and it never gets and you would never get sick again. So it's something real quick to uh, clean the immune system. Like I said, ginger is so good on so many levels. Blood circulation, inflammation, stress. The list goes on. It's so many things that ginger does. Excuse me. But just mixing this ginger with pineapples, with lime, key limes and lemons makes up an awesome, good treat for the children of a healthy way to, cure all this bullshit that's happening right around us. So the ginger key lime shots, what you're gonna do is take a juicer. You mix in the juicer the ginger, and you want to actually have like a 2 ounces of ginger juice. So you collecting the juice from the ginger, or you can use the organic powder or the ginger powder, as well as you can squeeze. You squeeze the key limes, which is 1 ounce, and you mix both together in a juicer, and you know mix it up and make it real fine. And what you do is put it in a glass container. So depending on how much you want to make, you can add on or take away. Me personally have made a few just for my family, and this is how it looks. It's more like a pasty type look. Um, it's pretty tart. Um, a really distinctive taste. Let me see. Let me show you. Put some just out there. So look like a little bit like cabbage. But it's definitely worth putting into your everyday routine. Like I said, especially what's going on. That's just an example of that. The next one is pineapples. Like I said, they improve the digestive system, blood circulation, respiratory, and help and heart health. So it's basically like a little pineapple syrup, and you take 2 cups of pineapples, uh, some ginger powder, some lemon, and you put it all together in a blender, and you mix it up real fine and nice. And this right here is what it's going to come out to look like, kind of like some applesauce. And it's very good. You can use it in food the kids probably as applesauce, as a treat or something to, let me get a little bit more. And as a way to slide in something healthy that is going to help their body. And like I said, it's depending on how much you want to make. These things are known, not just scientifically, but in an ancestral understanding, to be something that works for the body. Knowing that the body is a temple of organic organic makeup. So very special makeup. So like they say, you don't put regular gas in a Ferrari. Our bodies is that type of vehicle and beyond priceless. So we have to start understanding the intake of what we do put in our body. And I'm not going to take up any more of you all's time. I just wanted to show you that again because this pineapple syrup, 3 times a day reduces phlegm. It actually, phlegm and mucus. It helps with the formation in your respiratory system. It boosts your immune system. It's a vitamin C It's a vitamin C, and it also, like I said, stimulates the white cells, and it's a good antioxidant. So, please, if you have to rewind it, take a chance on understanding what's truly happening behind the scenes, behind the veil, in the unseen world that is truly affecting our physical stability right now. And know that it's simple mechanisms and ways that we all can do at home to actually get ourselves more in tune with a higher frequency about ourselves. So thank you all for listening. I hope that this was more informative, more helpful, and I will be doing more videos. Just know that everything is not just a work in progress. The journey is awesome, and I'm loving every minute of it. Peace, love, and energy.